Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys could see from the title, I'm doing a hair care video. As you guys could see, I have some cornrows in. I had these in for like say 6 to 7 weeks. Yes, I decided to take them out because my hair needed some love. It needed some moisture in it. I haven't done this in a while, so I decided to just do it today. As you guys could see, my hair is extremely dirty. Like all of the glue from when I'm wearing wigs, just a lot of gunk. So I decided to, do a nice little hair care, treat my hair. Um, yes, I'm taking out the braids and I'm gently removing all that gunk from my hair because I don't want to damage my hair or take out any, excess hair that doesn't need to be out. Cause when you have a hair cornrow go back here, you do have dead hair that in the cornrows, but I don't want to take out what's not need to what's not dead, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just continue taking out my hair. Um, as I said, I had them in for like 6 to 7 weeks. I had them in from like the beginning of December or mid-December. So I'm taking my gently time removing them. Right here, you guys could see how dirty my hair actually is, and that's a lot of nastiness to be honest. I don't normally keep my braids in that long, but I just decided to go and wear little wigs, for like 2 months straight, and it really helped it really helped growing my hair, to be honest. This is what my hair is looking like after I took out all of the braids, the cornrows. You could see that my hair is very dry and it just looks so easy. It look damaged. It look like it will break as soon as you pull it too hard. So it's very damaged and dry and brittle. So yeah, this is it from the back. I can't believe my hair is this dry. I didn't oil it or anything. This is in all the amount of hair that I lost while ripping up my cornrows. That's a lot. So now I'm just gonna wash my hair and I'm using the VO5, some little cheap shampoo, not too much. I'm gonna use the OGX conditioner, coconut curls. This is a very good if your hair is dry. So after washing my hair, this is what it's looking like after it's just washed, freshly washed. Yeah, you could guys could see my curls are there. I think this is just how it look after shampooing. I didn't condition it as yet. I didn't record while it was after condition. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. The curls isn't there as it used to. You could see my scalp look clean. Yes, I did a very good deep wash. Wash it really good. Guys, you wanted to see the water. The water was literally black. But anyways, I'm gonna do a hair treatment and I'm gonna use this hair mayonnaise from Hair Ecstasy. I hope I'm saying it right. So I basically just put this all over my hair. Um yeah, I put it all over my hair and then after I put a steam cap and then I sat under a hooded dryer. I didn't get any footage of that, but that's what I did. Um yeah, this product is very good. I left it on for like an hour to say, yeah, because I left it on and then I went babysit. So I left it on for an hour, sat under the hair dryer for like 15 minutes, and then after I leave it on for an hour, and then I rinsed it out. It worked magic, guys. You guys gonna see how my hair looks so rejuvenated in the end. But yeah, I left it on, as I said, for 15 minutes, and I sat under the hooded dryer for 15 minutes, left it on for like an hour or so, and then yeah, you guys could just watch me put it on and I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, so this is me just putting on the steam cap. As I said, I sat under the hooded dryer for 15 minutes. After everything has been finished,
A few moments
I
later.
went ahead and I used the Cream of Nature anti-breakage leave-in, and I just put this. I don't like this spritting, to be honest. I wish it's something could have just pump out or squeeze out. I don't like the spritting, but yeah, put it on my hair. I saturated it in, then I clipped the ends of my hair. Um, because I had a lot of split ends, as you guys could see right here. I had a lot of split ends. Some just decided to cut it. Normally, my mother would do this to me. Those of you guys know my mother is a hairdresser. She would normally cut it for me, but I just decided to do it myself. So you guys didn't see me cutting it properly right there, but in the next clip, you guys will see how I did it. I just literally cut like an inch off, to be honest, because every time I cut my hair, I feel like it grows more. I don't understand that theory, so I always tend to just cut my hair. It get thicker and longer, so I decided to just cut it every time. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is a better footage of me cutting it and the amount. So I just snip it off, all of that dead end, split ends. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna start twist up my hair. I just twist it up, and I actually, after twisting it up, I actually put on some flexi rods. Those did not came out successful, so I didn't even show you guys it. But the finished product actually had looked somewhat, wearable. But let's talk about my hair though. My hair was so healthy and moist, and so it just looks so rejuvenated. So I would definitely recommend you guys trying. This is just a easy, at home, easy hair care for 4C or 4B hair. Um, yeah, so this is the end. I'm just fixing up my edges. I use the red one to nice the edges a little bit. These were the curls with the flexi rods. They did not came out good because I didn't even watch any tutorial on how to do it. I will definitely try it again and record it showing you guys. But this is it for the video, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.